Is it like the song?
I'm playing 096 right now. There's a lobster right here. Haha,
Hold on, I gotta get some.
get elbow.
Oh my god, I can't even play it. No.
RM,
Well,
are you playing 096?
no, I can't play right now
Why?
because I don't have my crap on me.
Why?
Me, why?
What? Why do I not have crap?
All my friends are vegan faggots, bro.
Why do you not have all your stuff?
Just, oh, you pay attention when I said goodbye.
I wasn't even here. What? Oh, yeah, right. Why are your parents mad at you?
Because I did my homework and then I said no. When they asked me if I did my homework by accident,
So you did your homework and you said
I
no?
wasn't even paying attention.
God says he did his homework, but he said no.
No, Bo didn't do his homework.
I got a hammerhead shark. Like, hammerhead is very rare. Good in nutrients. Yeah, me too, bro. Russia as a kid. How do you craft? You have to buy a hammer from Albie's shop. No, there's a hammer in Albie's shop. Go check next time. I'm What the heck? Yeah, let's go to the mansion. Let's go to the mansion. Picture, we're gonna go to the mansion. So, check a mobile shop, okay. Alright, I'm at the mansion. I'm on top of it, actually. I'm Osama. And me too, Buster. I felt even more off. Russia will never have Robux. gonna buy. Bro, look, I'm gonna go to the SCP Foundation, bro. I bet you don't have an SCP key card. Haha. Grenade ain't on. Look, I have it. I have it. Look at me. Look at. Where is that? Look, I'm back. Hey, right, Obama's mobile. He could. Oh, yeah, right. What is that? Look, that's something new. Oh. Is there anything in here? No. Hey, we can live in here? What was that? Oh, radio. Radio. Hey, there's a drink right here. Let me just eat this drink. I'm Osama. We only have 10 seconds left anyways. Pasha, where did you go? Oh. Pasha, let's make our journey back. Hey, medkit. Oh no, that's not medkit. The airplane's not even on the map. This doesn't make sense. I found a hot dog. I think something spawned up there. I'm gonna hide in here. I'm gonna go put my scrambled glasses. There's stuff in the sky. Let's make our way back to the food area. Hey, here, follow me. Look, follow me, it's safe. Go to the radio tower of the mansion, and then we should be safe. I think people at the mansion are dying. There's usually like a way over there, actually. If I see him or hear him, just look down. Right, to the mansion. Which is this way.
Attention all Class D personnel. Please enter the containment chamber.
What?
This is Control to Nine-Tailed Fox. SCP-096 has breached containment. Your new objective is to bag SCP-096.
Get it. This is our house now.
Attention, all personnel. Code Black lockdown has been initiated. Combatives, scan Sector 1, Sector 2,
lights in
and
this house.
Sector 3 for the non-terminable threat and recontain the aforementioned SCP. Non-combatives, make your way to the breach shelter and await further instruction.
Be advised, medical personnel en route to Hartsfield, various engine 20 coming in.
He killed somebody. What is that? Oh, there's like a pig.
God bless the United States of America.
Why is there a rug up here? I should fetch me a rug.
Detonation cancelled. Restarting systems.
Oh, I didn't even know to push away in there. I was like,
Attention all Class D personnel. Please enter the containment chamber. This is Control to Nine-Tailed Fox.
Can you hear that? Yeah, I hear that.
SCP-096 has breached containment. Your new objective is to bag
Yes, I hear the mic. I
SCP-096.
hear the radio.
Attention, all personnel. Code Black lockdown has been initiated.
Oh, the kid's
Scan
home.
Sector 1, Sector 2, and Sector 3
Yeah,
for
he's
the
right-
non-terminable
he's up
threat
here.
and recontain the aforementioned
Imagine he gets in the
SCP.
house.
Non-combatives, make your way to the breach shelter and await.
He's inside the house! He's right here! Hey, Pressure, did you see him? Pressure saw him. Pressure saw him, yeah. Maybe I saw him. That's not good. That's not very good. That's not very good. We actually lived. Alright, I'm gonna go need to get food. Don't you know, I'm just gonna eat the hammerhead. Alright, yeah, we're good. Well, we survived. Alright, let's go.
Attention all Class D personnel. Please enter the containment chamber.
Bro, I can't believe it. You don't have to enter the SAP code, bro. That spawns every single day. Pretty
This
sure
is
like
Control
5
to
spawns.
Nine-Tailed Fox. SCP-096 has breached containment. Your new objective is to bag SCP-096.
Attention, all personnel. Code Black lockdown has been initiated. Combatives, scan Sector 1, Sector 2, and Sector 3 for the non-terminable threat and recontain the aforementioned SCP. Non-combatives, make your way to the breach shelter and await further instruction.
Be advised, medical personnel en route to Hartsfield, various 10 and 20
Oh,
coming in.
Linky Box, good. It's a tail and sniper, what the heck? Shoot it for guns we have. Oh, you got scramble glasses, me too. No, we could travel through the night now without you dying. Hey, there's food in here though. Get the water bottle in this corner. If you even need it. I have two. No, don't give it to anybody. Wait, you have two scramble glasses? I have a spare one? Oh. Press F to get it. Whoa. I'm gonna eat the water bottle because you're not eating it. Yeah, you're not eating it, so I'm gonna take it. Oh, never mind. Alright, let's go. Oh, I'm gonna get fish. I think I just lock them in there. That fish food is over there, so. We don't have enough time to get fish though. That's the problem. We can just look down. Oh, that's big fish right here. Why is there an eel here? What the hell? Among Us. This is my eel. Oh, you ate it before I could. It can float? Guys, bro, look, I'm gonna mine all the way up here. Bro! Bro, mine big. Oh crap. Alright, he's right there. He can, no, he can live. Let's see who left the A Good Games experience today. Regiment dispatchments. Bro doesn't even know his own regiment. Oh, he's right there. I left before he could kill me. I left before he could kill me. I kept myself. Haha. Get nade on. Alright, I'm joining back. Yes, I still have myself too. I have the fish I just caught when I looked at him. Alright. Where is he? I don't know. I'm going back to fish food. Oh, he's right above you, Prussia. I mean, no, he's above. I'm back from my computer crashing. Good, alright. Goody, what's happening? Head to the fruches. Bruches. Bruches or bruches. Ha, I'm Osama. I eat Osamelins. Can I personally join you real quick? I'm Oprasha. I speak with the burger. I Osama. I eat Olamelins. Close out my Spotify. Alright, I'm back in the server. Hopefully I didn't lose all my stuff. No, I didn't. Oh, back at the fishing place. Oh, no, I'm not. Let me go get to the fishing place real quick. Yeah, right, I just spawned right there, actually. Well, I shouldn't be seeing you. Imagine he was right there. German Patriot, I see you. Wait, what? I'm gonna search for him. Let's search for him in the morning. Never mind, he's gone. That looks so stupid. What do you do? Like, cast your line. What the heck? You can throw from all the way up here. What the heck? How is this possible? Wait, what? Wait, what the heck? Dang. Wait, I got the fish though. You can fish from up here. I'm Osama. Easy food long. Easy food law. People say law all the time, so I was gonna say that as like a cool thing. I'm from a. Why is there a kid up there? Remember the hacker? Hold on. I'm totally not hacking. I'm totally not hacking. Remember? I know he's not here, but like, that's crazy when he said I'm totally not hacking. He's like, that kid just like joined. But that kid almost made everything I got just disappear. They flung me too far. How the hell? This is my last fish. Wow, he has voice chat. Goofy, Spider-Man. He left when I said Goofy, Spider-Man. He left when I said that to him, Goofy. I'm totally not hacking. Pasha, kill yourself. Hey, I found a lobster. The lobster is right in there. Oh my god. How do I pick that up? Eat it. This is the last fish I'm getting. If we're gonna go out and look for him. Alright, let's go. Get your scramble goggles out. It's about to be nighttime anyways. And the most paranormal experience is over here. We're gonna experience the most... Where he spawned, I have no idea. But we're gonna experience the most paranormal thing. What happened to the base? It's gone. Some kid came in here and just blew it up. This thing used to be a masterpiece. I went in here earlier. You just sat down here. That's not a thing, right? Why did they have this sitting there? Alright, let's look for him. Here, goggles on. Let's go. By the way, you have to click to activate your goggle. I know, right? Let's go. I'm Osama. Eat your salamanos. Yep, we're gonna have to search over here. By the way, if it's blood moon, we're screwed. This is a jackpot for the monster. Hey, the monsters that she got teleport here like every single time. See, he's here. Run, run. Russia, he's like over here. Usually he spawns right here, up there, right there. Just get a look. I saw him. I saw him, so now he's attracted to me, so now he'll try to kill me. Can you see it, guys? He's here. He's up there. He's upstairs. Oh, he's right there. He's trying to kill me, guys. I'm glad he's on his way. Wait, he's down there. He's down there. Oh, donut. Let me in. Where did he go? He's just right here, right? He left. That means he's still here, though. He's upstairs. He's on the roof. Pasha, he's on the roof, by the way. He disappeared. I'm just gonna go scan out for him, because usually if you're at the house and you're just looking down, you will eventually see him. Not on roof. He was on the roof a second ago, by the way. Why? Why? We will miss you. He's right there! He's on the roof! Somebody looked at him. He's on the roof. Oh, he's inside the house! Oh, I can't even get out. Disappeared. That's why you're supposed to look at him. Don't see him anywhere. He's on the roof. He's on the roof, I see him. He's on the roof, I'm looking at him. Pasha, get on the roof now. I looked at him, I accidentally looked at him. Oh, the Denji kid's dead, bro. Yeah, I killed him. Pasha, did you look at him? Oh no, you did. But there's night vision right here. No, I see night vision right here. Hey, look, there's goggles right here. Alright. Last corner. Alright, well, we're gonna go to the bunker after the day, which is like 10 seconds. No, now he's gonna disappear. There, he disappeared. Let's go to bunker now. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna unequip this because we don't need that. Wait, there's food here. Wait, this is a food source. Let me drop a burger and a water for you. There's food everywhere. Bro, give me all this. You need a certain card to get weapons, but like, there's a lot of food here. Why is there a why did you drop your Class D card? Don't drop that. Hey, look, it says SCP-173. Hey, he's not even in here. They forgot to add SCP anyways, it's fine. Now we got infinite donuts! Over here, there's so many donuts. Oh! Give me pizza. I get pizza, you get donut. Donut. Hey, get the last one, alright. God, we're filled with food right now, oh my god. Bro, this thing is littered with food. Oh, alright, anyways, let's go back home. Yeah, I think the food replenishes some days. So I'm gonna make a waypoint. Actually, we don't need a waypoint even here. Alright, let's go. Don't drop your Class D card. You need it later for food. Radio tower, bro. That's why. Why do I have 4? Why do I have 4 Class D cards? What the f? Oh, interesting. Alright, let's go. Dude, easy getting that much food, oh my god. Alright, that just close. Can we just camp here? You mean, yeah, but the food like replenishes like every 2 days. Alright, go check. Still enough food. Yeah, I have a lot. What if I had a second storage bar I could give her? I think these kids discovered how to use light. I think they discovered how light works. They discovered how to use light. They discovered how to use light in here. God. Why is there a light pole out here? Get that inside. We need that. They're trying to make this look nice. Put this crap inside. Look at that. We discovered more light. Lol, lol. Who killed 25th? 1, 2, 3. Wait, what? Wait, where do you want me to go, Prosh? Right here? Where are you, Prosh? I don't see you, Prosh. Take. Outside. I'm outside. Oh. That exists. Yeah, I don't even have enough space for that. I'm gonna eat a drink real quick. Oh, right, I have to eat the whole entire thing. I gotta eat another pizza. Eat. I don't eat it. There's another. What the? There's another. As I was expecting you to say. This crap is beautiful. Hold on, AFK.